Booyah!
Hello everybody, it's Larry, the Can-Do Realtor Man. I'm coming at you from the lovely town of Camp Hill, Pennsylvania, and the offices of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Man, our address here is 3425 Market Street, and please feel free to stop in and say hello. You go up to the desk, tell them you want to talk to Larry, the Can-Do Realtor. They will buzz me up. I will run downstairs here and bring up my office, and we can sit down and shoot the breeze for a while, get to know each other. You can tell me what your goals are, what you're looking to do. Doesn't mean you're buying a house. It just means we could talk and feel out each other and see if we'll be a good pairing to work together. Yeah, like I said, just stop in and see me, man. All you gotta do is go up there. Like I said, I'll come down and get you. I mean, what we're going to talk about today, I try to keep people here in South Central PA, not only the sellers but the buyers, a little bit more informative of some things that are going on. And I hope that this does reach out to other people in other areas. I hope it helps you out too. That's what the idea is. And like they said, man, I'll answer your questions. If you text them to me, email to them, or leave them in comments, you want to know something or got a topic that you want a little bit more information on, hey, it'll help me out. It gives me something to make a video on. Like they say, the only stupid question is the question that's not asked. So please, man, ask me. So let's get on with this, man. What we're going to talk about, it's on everybody's minds, these high interest rates. And we did notice, thank God, that the damn feds didn't raise the interest rates this last time. So what we're going to talk about is how to navigate high mortgage interest rates. So let's get on with this, man, and let's get it going. Mortgage rates are hovering at the highest levels in 23 years. And what's that doing is causing mortgage demand to sink to 27-year low. Waiting for home prices to come down has had little success for home buyers, man, due to the unprecedented imbalance of the housing supply. What do we mean? Buyer demand here, the houses on markets here. So what that's doing, that's causing the prices to go up. What can you and other home buyers do to increase your buying power? Well, here's some ideas, man. Some that you probably didn't think about. The one advantage of the higher interest rates is that they can make you money in other investments, man, until you're ready to buy your home. And one of the things you can start with, you got 4 or 5 credit cards, man, start with a debt consolidation loan. Pay off all those high interest earning credit cards. And instead of having all these 4 or 5 payments, you got one, the interest rate's set, it's low. Do some of the research to learn where it's best to park some of your cash and savings. Instead of just having it in a savings account, making a little bit of nothing, check it out, man. Check out the terms of the investments and the penalties if for case you have an early withdrawal. Check that stuff out. One of the things you can do is something I found out about back in 2002, I think it was, when the hurricanes hit Florida. I just bought a house. But this is kind of interesting one I didn't know about until then. Instead of having your money parked in your regular savings account, barely making you any money, look into a high yield savings account through your bank. Most of your savings accounts have a variable annual percentage rate, or API, which means the return is linked to the Federal Reserve overnight funds rate changes. Currently, you can get yields between 4% and 5% APY on these high yield savings accounts. While your traditional savings account, the one you got yours in now, you're only getting 0.5%. What was that again? I said 4% on these high yield ones to 5%. And your little tiny one, you're only making 0.5%. Just a big difference. Like I said, it made me a lot of money, stretched my insurance dollars to repair my house after the hurricanes out, so I had more money to work with. Something else you can look into is a certificate of deposit, or a CD account. The average 12-month CD is about 1.49%, which is still higher than that 0.5% you're making in your little tiny savings account. And yeah, but if you check into some of the online financial institutions, you'll find out some of them are paying 4.5 to 5% APY. And that comes from reports on CBS. So check into it, man. Another way to take your hard-earned money that's barely making any money in your bank and make way more with it, which is going to help you stretch your dollar more and give you more buying power when it comes time to find that house. One other thing you can do, man, check into corporate bonds. What's a corporate bond? Well, To raise capital, some corporations issue debt securities, which means you're loaning money to the company in return for a regular income payment and the return of your initial capital when the bond reaches maturity. The benefits are lower in risk for investment grade corporate bonds, lower volatility, and greater diversification. And it's not tied to the stock market. So you don't have so many people playing with money and chance to lose it. Like I said, the high interest earning savings account, there's no risk. And that's a hell of a lot of difference. You're talking 4.5% higher, more interest than your little 0.5%. Certificate of deposit, again, if you find them, research them out, you might make up to 1.49%, I get it out of there, up to 5%. Just check into it, man. It's worth doing it. Let that hard-earned money you busted your ass for make you money and help you reach your dreams. That gives you more money to put down, which gives you better buying power. Again, man, this is Larry the Can-Do Realtor. I hope this helps you out a little bit, man. If you have questions, like I said, email me, text me, leave comments in the links. Please subscribe to me. Please follow me. It all helps. You guys, I'm here to help you guys. I'm trying to make you a little bit more informed. That's what this is all about. So again, oh yeah, and let's not forget, Saturday's coming up, the 11th of November. I want to say thank you to all my brothers and sisters out there that served with me, just put their life on the line for this country and the people of it. I want to thank you guys. Hoorah, or in our case, hoo-yah. And you guys take care. Have a great Veterans Day, man. Get out there, get to talking to some other guys, go to some of the events in your areas. I love you all. Again, you guys, this is Larry the Can-Do Realtor coming at you from Camp Hill, Pennsylvania, and the home of the office of Berkshire Hathaway Home Service. You guys, please come in. I'll have my phone numbers up here, somewhere up here, and my address, emails. You can just reach out to me, man. I want to hear from you. So you guys take care. Until the next video, you guys have a great weekend.